Hello guys, welcome to Technical Math VPN channel, and in this video I will teach you the concept fraction with the help of three different questions including mixed fraction, fraction with different denominator and same denominator. I will teach you the concept, and I hope after watching this video you would not be confused in the concept of fraction. And before starting this video, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe Technical Math VPN channel. So let's start. Here on screen you can see that 6 over 25 plus 8 over 25 plus 3 over 25. This is the first type of fraction, and you can see clearly that here denominators are same. This is first kind of fraction in my concept. So when you have same kind of same denominators, then you need to write 25 over here. Just 6 plus 8 plus 3. After adding 6, 8, 3, you will get 6 and 8, 14 plus 3, 17 over 25. This is the answer of this fraction. So this is a simple. Now move to the little bit complex question. Here on screen you can see that the new fraction 4 over 7 plus 5 over 6 plus 3 over 14, and first of all you can see denominators are different, 7, 6 and 14. We need to find the LCM of these three denominators like 7, 6 and 14. Divide by 2, 7 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are. Now divide on 3, 7 is same, 1 and 7, 7, 1, 1 and 1. Now simply multiply these factors, 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. 42 would be the LCM, so that write 42 over here. Now just understand what I'm doing. 42 is the factor. First divide by 7. 7 6s are 6, so multiply 6 with this. 4 6 are 24 plus, now simply again 42 divided by this 6. 6 7s are, 7 is the answer, 5 7s are 35 plus sign. Again 42 divided by this 14. 14 3s are, so just 3 multiply over here, that would be 3 3s are 9. Clear? Now just accumulate these three values, 24, 35 and 9. 4 5 9 plus 9 9 18, 1 carry 2 and 3 5 plus 1 6 over 42. So this is, now we can divide this value by 2. Little bit close this whiteboard. 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So this is the answer. 34 over 21 is the answer of this fraction. Further we can process it more to write in mixed fraction, but I am not proceeding it further. Move to the next question, that would be consisted on mixed fraction. So here on screen you can see three different fractions, 1 whole 3 by 4 plus 2 whole 3 by 8 plus 3 whole 1 over 12. So first of all, what to do with this fraction? Equal to sign, 1 multiply 4, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 over 4 plus 2 multiply 8, 2 8s are 16 plus 3 is equal to 19 over 8 plus 3 2s are 3 12s are 36. Oh, sorry. 3 12s are 36 plus 1 37 over 12. This is the fraction after breaking the factors. So the next step is to take LCM of these three numbers 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 6 are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now simply multiplies these factors, prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24. Now the previous 24 divided by this 4. 4 6 are, so 7 6 are 42 plus again 24 divided by this 8. 8 3s are, multiply 3. 3 9s are 3 9s are 27 and 3 1s are 357 plus again 24 divided by 12. 12 2s are this 12. 12 2s are here, multiply with 2. 74. This is the simplification, and now just add these three values you can see on screen: 42, 57 and 74. 2 plus 7 9 plus 4 3 13. Now 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 16 and plus 1 17 over 24. Now we need to find the answer in mixed form. Just what to do? The concept is 173 divided by 24, and now multiply and 24 with any number that reach to 173. So first of all we need to 24 multiply 7. 24 7s are 168, and if we do 24 with 8 then it will be greater than 173, so we stop ourselves. 24 multiply 7, the answer is 168. So 7 carries 13, 13 minus 8, the answer is 5. So this is the simplification. Now I'm going to writing the answer 5 whole 7 over 25. This is the the answer is 7 whole 5 over 26. This is the answer of this fraction, and if you want to justify you did wrong or right, just multiply 7 with 24, that would be equal to 168, and plus 5, that would be plus 5, the answer is 173. So this is the answer of this fraction. And here on screen you can see another question: 3 whole 1 over 6 plus 2 whole 2 over 3 plus 1 whole 1 over 9. I'm solving this question so that you are clear about the concept. First of all, you need to break the factor 3 multiply 6. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19 over 6 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 2 8 over 3 plus 9 1s are 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So now we need to take an LCM. LCM is of 6, 3 and 9. 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 2 1s are, 1 3 and 1. Multiply the factor through 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 is the LCM. Now just concentrate. If you would not clear in the previous question, 18 divided by this 6, 6 threes are 18, multiply with this 3 is 19, 57 plus sign. Now again 18 divided by this 3, 3 6 are 18, multiply 6 over here, 8 6 are 48 plus sign. Again, if you have still any confusion, you can comment under the video. I will try to help you completely. 18 divided by 19, 9 twos are, and 2 multiply here, 2 tens are 20. Now simplify it further. 18 add these 57, 8 and 20. 57, 7 plus 8, 15, 1 carry, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 11 and 1, 12. 125 over 18. So I need to close to show further work regarding this. Close the screen so that you are properly able to understand. 125 divided by 18. So in this way we need now multiply 18 with any number that's answer would be equal to 125 or less than 125 but not greater than 125. 18 multiply by 6. 18 multiply by 6 you will get 108. If we multiply with 7 that would be proceed to 125. So we restrict ourselves over 18 multiply 6. Now carry 115 minus 8 7 6 here. Now I'm going to writing the answer. The answer would be of this fraction 6 whole 7 over 18. Now if you want to justify you did wrong or right, so just multiply 6 with 18, that answer is 108. Simply plus 7, that would be equal to 125. And this is the procedure of solving each and every fraction. Though in fraction, in simple fraction, in mixed fraction, the procedure is same. I hope so you have got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. And if this video is helpful for you, just like this video and subscribe Technical Math VBN channel to remain updated with different concepts. Thanks for watching.